In order to effectively plan and manage capacity, we often group possible scenarios into three categories. First, we have the case where demand exceeds capacity. That is, we have more customers than we have products for. The second is the inverse of the first. Capacity exceeds demand. And the third category, we try to adjust for seasonal demands. When demand exceeds capacity, we could try to match supply and demand by raising prices or increasing lead times. Lead time is the time from when an order is placed until it is received. These things would push customers away. If we face the other situation of having too much capacity, we might consider ways to stimulate the market, perhaps by marketing the product differently. To adjust to seasonal demands, we might offer seasonal products that complement each other. In Maine, an example of this are the ski and bike shops that you see. Another example is selling jet ski engines. As demonstrated by the past sales data, it is very seasonal. We also see a seasonality with snowmobile engine sales. Interestingly, jet ski and snowmobile engines are not all that different. We might want to consider building and selling both of these products. When we combine the two seasonal patterns, what do you notice? The demand is much smoother. We like this type of pattern. It is easier to schedule workers, estimate sales, etc. It reduces the variation. If complementary demand patterns does not match your business model or strategy, then here are a few other tactics for matching supply and demand. We can make staffing changes, which might include part-time or seasonal employees, or even overtime. We could attempt to improve the underlying process to increase the throughput. We would use some of the tools discussed previously in the course for improvement. And then you can see a few other options listed here also. If we are primarily in the service sector, several considerations might be warranted. For demand management, we might want to utilize an appointment system, for example if you're a dentist's office, or reservations, if you're a restaurant, to help level out the demand pattern. In the service sector, much of the capacity management is handled by staffing changes. So if you're a restaurant manager and the night is slow, you can adjust by sending someone home early.